this is pretty much the home screen of the application or VPN application. And down here, pretty much go and pretty much select your server, but it will ask for connection request and stuff, and okay, and the VPN will start connecting in no time. So I've reviewed a bunch of these VPN applications here. They're pretty much the same, nothing much for them. They're gonna pretty much give you 5 minutes, 2 minutes of connection time, which is ridiculous. And
let us show you how to activate.
You're gonna have to watch a bunch of ads, as you can see here. You're gonna see a bunch of ads on the VPN application. But once you do see the ads, you just go ahead and tap on the arrow icon here and exit off. So once you're connected, you're pretty much good to go. And as you can see here, I'm pretty much connected to the VPN connection. So you're gonna see a bunch of ads, and they're gonna just give you 10 minutes, 2 minutes of connection time, and you're gonna have to watch a bunch of ads. This is pretty much the third time that I'm reviewing similar VPN application, and I've said it again, don't recommend you guys using this VPN application because it doesn't make any sense, and it's just letting you watch ads for a little bit of connection time, which is crazy. But with all that said, guys, see you in the next one.